What's up, Sam here. Today we've got the ADO A20F Beast in the house. And with a name like Beast, you know, we gotta put this bad boy to the ultimate test. I mean, come on, we cannot let the name down, can we? But first, let's check out the design. So alright, up top we've got the hydronic brake, which I really like because, you know, compared to those mechanical ones, this hydronic one responds always faster, and most importantly, you can either to adjust the tightness, you know, just here, very easy. And we have a display on the left side. Just press and hold the power key to turn the screen on. As you can see, it's a color display, unlike this black and white one. Whoa, right, that's it. So here it shows you various information like speed and the mode. You press plus to add, plus press minus to minus, right? And this is the odometer, also shows you the trip and average kilometers per hour. So this is the battery. I'm moving to the right handlebar here. We got the bell and the Shimano 7-gear shifter, and also the throttle control. Right, moving down, we can see the stem is foldable as well. So just like that. As you probably notice here, you can adjust the height of it. Super cool, right? And now to the main tube. As you'd expect, it's foldable as well, just like that, you know. And the best part is it offers, you know, this removable battery feature. The pedal is foldable as well, just like that. Oh, that's easily. Yeah, saves more space. And for the Beast back, it got this kind of cool dual suspension, so it can easily absorb bumps in different roads, and that's just great. And of course, how can we miss the giant Taoyang 20 by 4-inch 5 tires, right? It's a Beast. You got something special, something to wow people. The 5 tire, always my best choice. For others, you might be interested to know that the motor is 250 watts and the maximum speed is 25 kilometers per hour. And the payload capacity is 120 kilograms. You never need to worry about getting fat. Additionally, it has an impressive 120 kilometers range on pedal assist mode. And that's just crazy. Now, let's hop on this back and get it right. Let's go! I'm highly impressed by the quality of the ADO A20F Beast. You can always rest assured about that. A couple of months ago, I visited ADO's testing lab, which is the first SGS certified lab in the e-bike industry. They performed a series of rigorous tests during the research and development of new e-bikes. So, if you are looking for a robust, beautiful, and comfortable bike for wild fun or daily commutes, you should definitely check out this one. By the way, the cool second jersey I'm wearing today is from Olactive. They have lots of options and different styles, so you should check them out. I found it super comfortable to wear, and I wear it whenever I ride. Thanks for watching, I'm Sammy. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Woohoo!